Hello all, welcome to my channel on the Byte. What we basically do over here is break down a particular product that we have skimmed through product hunt pages and try to understand them, what they are built out for. Yeah, I'm a commoner. I'm one of you looking out for various tech products and trying to break them down. So I was just going through this product hunt page and I found out this particular product that was really interesting. It is a design based product. Yeah, so designers, hello over there, this is for you. Now the product's name is Figr. Yeah, so what does this basically do is like bring in the real world experience, real world inspiration pages at a particular place where you can skim through for your next inspiration, or you can design like a pro with Figr.design. Yeah, so Figr.design is its URL handle, so you can visit it anytime. By the way, link is in the description of the video, so please check it out. What do we get over here? We get tailored recommendations and browse through popular products. Yeah, say popular products. Let's look into this. Yeah, I am really excited about this. It was launched by Moksh Kark. Yeah, so Moksh Kark, kudos man, you did a great job, I guess. Now let's see what my people have to say about your thing, right? So this is our solution to help simplify your design process. Instead of devoting hours on Dribbble for UI inspirations, right? So it is an alternative for Dribbble, maybe, right? Okay, now let's go to the product right away. I'm super excited for this particular product, man. Yeah, so the UI UX is pretty clean, I guess. And let's check what I'm about to design. Let's say a website design, and what I am looking out for, admin. So I require an admin profile login page. So this is a very common recommendation, or something very smooth and which is very required on every platform, right? So that is why I just wanted to go through this particular. Yeah, so wow, this is cool, right? Get Pocket, it's one of the popular products out in the market. Let's go through. We have Dropbox also, Epic Games, and this is pretty similar to the Epic Games login. Okay, Headspace is there, cool. Bloomberg, wow. Yeah, let's go to the Dropbox, right? Pretty clean, right? Now you might be wondering that is this the original page that we are looking out for? Let's check that out, right? Dropbox login page, right? Yeah, so it is the exact replica, and this is amazing, that I can say, right? See, this is the exact replica to the last pin. Oh, this is cool. This is basically what you want in real time, right? Okay, now let's see how really good is this particular product, right? Now let's collect this on Figma. Okay, let's check the collection out. Okay, now nice. Let's try to get the Figma file. Okay, let's sign in. Okay, so people, they of course ask for a login. Okay, now let's go to the Dropbox login page. Now I'll just open this up in Figma right away. I've already explored the product, that is why you can see some collection pages in my collection section, right? So I don't bring in anything and everything that is launched in the market. I bring out the best out of the best, right? Now this is where you can get the proper inspiration and from my page too. So stay tuned on my channel. So the import has been done. Let's check this out. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, this page, they haven't named it. Okay, I can make a replica. What all can I select? Let's see. Okay, everything is selectable. Cool. Nice. Okay, everything is sectionized, everything is organized. They have created auto layouts also. That is what I can see. Is it true? Yeah, so they have created this auto layouts also, so you don't disrupt things around, right? Now these people are providing us the direct inspiration that you want, and even the Figma file. So you, let's say I have to just create a new page, and now I love this whole structure kind of thing. I'll just simply copy this part, I'll take it to my page. My work is done as swift as possible. Now let's say you're a custom designer, you want to bring out the best of best. You can actually require a base, right? So the base has been provided now, so you have to just skim through things, run through things, and try to analyze things which you require and just move on. Now, so designers, this is really cool, is what I felt. Let's go to the explore part. Yeah, so they have a ton of filters also, right? They have a ton of filters which you can select through, right? And also they have the submit button where you can submit your ideas. So designers, please go ahead, submit your ideas and try to connect with them, right? Maybe this is heck of a opportunity that you will find out in the public, right? Now let's see, they have some app ahead. Okay, okay, they have a mobile UI design waitlist also. So yeah, this is like they're completely into designing, so it's completely useful. It's completely something, a resource which you must have in your pocket right away, right? Now I love this. I'll just upvote it on later, right? Yeah, so what do you think about the product? I feel it's a very good and very decent product that every designer must have in his pockets just to be cool enough. Now there is a very huge argument, who are their possible competitors, right? Now as soon as you ask me of competitors, I can recall only Figma community. Let's go through the Figma community and you'll understand why so. So I am on the Figma community. You have basically inspirations, everything. I'll go through the inspiration. I'll just type in login page, right? I have a ton of login pages now, right? 100 files, 100 files. But what's the catch over here? I'll let you know. You have to go through this. You have no segregation between the mobile and the desktop version. Point one. Now this is something that you might not be requiring it, but might be someone else requires it, right? So if you ask me to select from the Figma community or the Figr App, I would simply go to the Figr App, man. You have all the website collections, you get different filters, you have the popular products in the market you can select out from, right? So this is a very good thing that Figr has introduced into the design community, right? Now there's other big competition is Dribbble. Triple V, sorry, my bad. Now here again, coming down, let's check two login pages. Let's go through the filters. So here's a catch. Now Dribbble helps you to become a better designer and just get inspirations. But what Figr does is provides you different designs so that you can start with a base. So there is a whole different catch. Now Figma users generally use this UI UX tools, right? Now for that you can go to Dribbble. Sorry, you can go to the Figr app. Now that is pretty cool, pretty simple. Now let's say the Figma community starts on introducing new filters of such sectors and try to collaborate with people or make partners, make more Figma partners, right? See, this is very simple, very neat. Now this is something we are requiring, right? This is something Figma has to do so that they can beat Figr. I wouldn't say beat Figr, I would just say remove them from the competition. That is a very typical thing again, right? But if you are about to ask me what would you prefer, for now I'll just go to the Figr app, right? So kudos people, it was a great launch. You have 286 upvotes. I guess you were doing great on that day, on the launch day. Yeah, you are #4 of the day and #31 of the week. So kudos batch. Yeah, this was a great product that I would love to use. I'll just collect this for my future use. People can find the link down in the description, and of course find the website link also. I'll paste both the product hunt as well as the website. So people, if you like it, please upvote. If you want to use it, go to the website, log in and start using it. So this is for the day. Yeah, so this is up for the product. Stay tuned till next Tuesday to catch up on a new product. Until then, adios.